Hello, for our dataset presentation, we chose to talk about Uniform Hospital Discharge Dataset, or UHDDS. So some history on UHDDS, since most of us probably don't know a heck of a lot about it. It is a set of data elements collected by acute care, short-term stay, usually less than 30 days, hospitals to report inpatient data elements in a standardized manner. It was originally developed through the National Committee on Vital and Health Statistics, or NCVHS, and it was required by Department of Health and Human Services, or HHS. It was first implemented in 1974. It was required by HHS January 1st, 1975, and since that requirement, it has undergone two revisions, one in 1984 and one in 1986. So what is UHDDS used for? It is heavily used for claims forms for electronic healthcare transactions for use of Medicare and Medicaid datasets. In 1983, when diagnosis-related groups, or DRGs, were developed, UHDDS definitions were incorporated into inpatient prospective payment system regulations. And other payers do require the use of UHDDS as the standard. And one of the things that sets UHDDS apart is its data dictionary. So the data dictionary is pretty vital to UHDDS. It has specific definitions of core data elements collected on acute inpatient hospitalizations with each data element guideline. So we see below an example. On the left, we have our data element, which is personal identification, and to the right, we have a definition, which is the unique number assigned to each patient within the hospital that distinguishes the patient and his or her hospital record from all others in that institution. And so obviously, when the definitions or principles are ignored, data can be reported inaccurately. So it's important that we pay close attention to the UHDDS definitions provided. And there are tons more, like discharge date as the data element, and then it provides a clear and concise definition. So these definitions try to leave as little error as possible. And this is why it is so useful in our current healthcare system. Thank you.